Most likely to become a divorcee.
Me. Why you?
Most likely to act as a superhero in a Marvel movie. Hey, both of us, yaar.
You will not do any of the action sequence.
I will.
No.
Yeah, they will do VFX. I just have to do.
No.
I am Scarlet Witch. I'm lifting things.
Still, she does a lot of movement.
हाँ ठीक है मैं. Most likely to skip meals.
Me.
She just randomly forgets to eat dinner. ये कैसे हो सकता है? मेरा like I literally sitting at home. I'll be like, what is that for lunch? What is that for snack? What is that for dinner? I am just planning my meals and she is like skipping meals. So that is another thing that sets us apart. Most likely to never be single for more than 3 months.
Don't even have to think.
Most likely to give up their seat on the train for elderly citizen.
I think
both of us.
Yeah,
we've done that.
Have you done it before?
So many times.
Yeah, I have also done. I got a Christmas gift, extra Christmas gift, because I did it on Christmas.
The person gave you gift?
No, my mom gave it to me.
I was like, who's this Santa traveling in the metro? Most likely to order a pizza within the next 24 hours.
Both of us. Now that you say I'm craving pizza,
we'll order. Most likely to become an alcoholic. Alcoholism is a very serious disease, guys. Alcoholics don't really require a reason. They just want to drink and they feel that their day or hour or life is incomplete if they don't come across like alcohol. So if you know somebody like that, please look into their lives, help them out, talk to them, try to see what you can do to make their lives better. Social message! Most likely to become a terrorist.
Me.
Yeah. Thing is, she feels very strongly for certain causes. And what is terrorism? It's spread of fear because they believe in something big, and it may not necessarily be like, for example, it's about different opposite people, right? So for me, if you're causing chaos, you may be a terrorist, but your cause won't be wrong. I don't know, I'm just speaking now. Wine making me talk.
Yeah, I'm also confused as to what is going on.
Guys, we have chakna. Please come. Guys, we have chicken nuggets. We got chicken nuggets. Most likely to become a priest or a nun.
Why the fuck the hell is me?
I feel it won't be for a religion.
I might become like a priest because I believe, like, you know, you mentally get higher power and I want to see what that power is. Maybe like I start to levitate all of a sudden and all. I don't know.
Most likely to become a divorcee.
Me? Why you? But why do you think you? Because see, you really do a lot of work into a relationship. I will get tired.
I feel the fact that you've been like single for so long,
yeah,
the next relationship you go to, you will be putting at your all and it's going to be a great relationship.
Yeah, but I think
I have a track record for failure in relationships, so.
But that is not exactly from your end, right? It's you put in all that effort. But like, you will overanalyze it like 15,000 times. Till then, probably one of you guys will be dead. Still overanalyzing on something that happened like 40 years ago.
Yeah, like, उस दिन तूने ढक्कन बाहर रखा था. And he's like dead. He's like, bitch. Leave me alone. Most likely to eat a bug. I think she's just adventurous with her palate. I am not. I go for safe things. She will be try. She's like, oh, we've come to China. I will try to explore it.
Okay, to a limit. Okay, it doesn't need to look like that.
You won't eat dogs, of course. You will eat like bugs and leeches and like octopus or something.
I think he came close to eating an octopus.
What do you mean by came close? Like octopus was like swimming and you're like, hop,
basically.
Hop. Most likely to fall in love with a werewolf. Did you not like Taylor Lautner from Twilight?
I mean, he has a hot body, but I don't like him otherwise.
और body ही तो जिस्म की तो भूख है सब. We are like sitting, you know, all the werewolves are sitting, and there's this one human who's loud, you know, oohing louder than them, like ow. And they're like, इसको किस बात की excitement? Okay, most likely to fall in love with their best friend's boy or girlfriend. You.
I don't know. I have this very like have a weird rule, but I do not go for the my best friends. Like
मैं किधर जाती हूँ यार, मेरे को
I know.
Most likely to go to a party in their pajamas. I will wear my pajama
But
to a award function if I have to. Most likely to go on a blind date arranged by their mom.
Yeah.
I trust my mom थोड़ा सा.
I don't.
Most likely to get struck by lightning. I am so accident prone कि भगवान ने like, hey, thunder इसके मुंह
And very abnormal incidences only will happen. Like nothing like when she's really active and you have an accident, like that is probably me. But very inactive accidents is her.
I have sprained my leg while sleeping. Get better than that. Tell me a story better than that and I will like give you nothing, but that has happened. Most likely to marry first.
Yeah.
So, because I don't know.
No,
मेरे जिंदगी
that's a
में
different conversation altogether.
we'll do that कभी और. Most likely to marry someone their friends and family hate.
Me?
She's like, I love. love
Likely? Maybe, yeah.
Most likely to marry a celebrity.
हम इधर एक रिस्पॉन्स के लिए रुके रहते हैं, ये लोग पूरा चैट कर रहे थे.
जल्दी मैं refill किया. खत्म कर.
You're only the one who's going to make me to call it.
Alcoholics don't really require a reason. They just want to drink and they feel that their day or hour or life is incomplete if they don't come across like alcohol. So if you know somebody like that, please look into their lives. Now we are done with this. We can ask each other most likely to. Okay, I'll ask you. Most likely to break this friendship. हम दोनों में से. Controversial questions are being asked.
Me?
I think it's me.
I don't know, it's very complicated. So because at least in our case, if ever the other person is that upset that it has come to the verge of breaking the friendship, the other person always goes like, talks to the person or we solve it out accordingly like that.
Yeah,
only.
yeah.
So I don't know if it is going to be either.
You can't break this friendship is the right answer.
Yeah.
अंबुजा सीमेंट से बना है ये दोस्ती. Okay, your turn.
Okay, next okay. Who's more likely to get back with their ex? Mine is definitely her because I've asked the question, but yeah.
Depends which ex though. हरामी लोग तुम लोग सब एक्टिवेट मत हो जाना. Don't all message me.
Yeah, I have like one person in mind. So rest can please stay calm.
No, literally, like I'm telling you, there is this event that happens on an annual basis called the Rise of the Exes. They all come out of their graves and they're like, you look so hot. I wish we had a chance. Again, I'm like, please calm down. Calm the F down. Most likely to cheat on their partner.
I feel you. Sorry, I've been single. I don't think I'm going to end up going cheating on that person at the end.
Yeah. Okay. By that logic.
Yeah, I mean, if it is Chris Evans, who knows? She gets to
But
cheat on.
एक hall pass तो मिलता ही है सबको.
Now you say you are with somebody, and then Chris Evans comes out of a sudden.
I'm calling and telling you, Chris Evans. You know. He also get 3 celebrity passes ना. मैं ऐसा थोड़ी mean है कि मैं बोलेगा कि ये नहीं मैं ही. But after that, if the celebrity falls in love and then follows my partner, then I have to kill that celebrity, and that's when you come in and help me bury the body.
And then that is how I end up in jail.
Loophole! So that was the end of this video. We don't know who won, but I feel like our friendship is very strong, so the points don't matter.
We both won.
We both won. Until next time, leave comments below saying Shreya be there in more videos. Okay?
She invites me.
Hey! अपनों को invitation की जरूरत नहीं होती, ठीक है?
You don't want me randomly just floating in your videos, no, behind.
I want you to be randomly floating in my videos.
I am very likely to do that also.
Okay, so we'll continue eating and whining and gossiping. Until next time.
Bye!
See ya! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! I have to shoot thumbnails.